how can it be true? I am here and standing, looking right at you. Your face in blonde is dappled by the light. It's beautiful tonight. How did I get here with you? Looking at your eyes, so bright they shine, as if they are surprised to see my face before you here right now. Suddenly somehow I can feel the heat turn on, and it seems your face is burning, standing by the wall with your blonde hair down. And I touch your face, it seems it's burning with the fire, burning with the fire, burning with the fire of love. When I said goodbye, I turned and left that nightclub alibi. The reason that I left, I don't know still. I walked right up the hill, wondering what you felt inside. And I heard the music playing, blues into the night, as I walked back home. And I wrote these words to tell you what I felt inside.